want to talk today about leadership and my personal leadership theory. It's a human-centric adaptive leadership. This blends Ryan and Deca self-determination theory, which focuses on intrinsic motivation, with a bit of an adaptive leadership emphasizing on empowerment and resilience. It's designed for smart factories transitioning from Industrial 4.0 to 5.0, balancing technology advancements with the human well-being. At its core, the four elements, beginning with autonomy, empowering teams with decision-making freedom to boost engagement and innovation. The second is competence, building skills through tailored trainings, mentorships, navigate complex tech environmental confidently. The third is relatedness, fostering connections and trust via transparent communication and collaboration, countering isolation in an automated setting. The fourth, my add-on to this, is adaptive leadership, which is guiding through uncertainty by involving stakeholders, experimenting, prioritizing growth over rigid solutions. This approach drives uncertainty change by motivating people intrinsically, reducing resistance, and ensuring organizations thrive in a human-machine collaboration. From my experience in manufacturing and in leadership, I've seen these transformations occur. And these are the esteemed tools, the recipe for some of the success into it, turning challenges into opportunities for shared success.